In this video, we will look into stream, distinct, count, sorted, any match, all match, and none match operations. So distinct. This method is used to filter or collect all distinct elements from a collection. Count. It returns the count of elements in the stream. Sorted. A stream consisting of the elements of this stream sorted according to natural order. Any match returns whether any element of this stream match the provided predicate. All match returns whether all elements of this stream match the provided predicate. And none match returns whether no elements of this stream match the provided predicate. Now let's implement these operations in IntelliJ. Let's create a new class under streams, new Java class, and the class name is streams operations. So let's create public static void main. So first example which we'll do over here is the count example. So let's copy the flat map example which we did earlier. So copy this and paste it over here, and then this convert this to list collectors.toList. So this list is returning us a list of all the courses which instructor teach. So to get the count, just remove this collect and put count over here. Stream provide the count operator, and here is complaining about that we are returning list of string. So just change this to integer or long count, because count returns long, so that's why I'm using the long variable. Now let's print out count. Let's run this example. And you can see that there are 15 courses which are taught by the instructors. But then they contain duplicates also. So now to remove the duplicates, the next operation which we'll do is distinct. So distinct will basically remove the duplicates and will return the non-distinct. So let's run this. So here in this case, distinct courses count is 10. Now let's copy this example again, and here we'll be doing the example of distinct again, but then here we'll be printing out the names of the courses also. And this is list of string and courses. Dot distinct, and then afterwards collect it to collectors.toList. Now let's run this example again. I didn't print out the courses, so let's print out the courses and run this example. So here it printed out all those list of courses, and these are all distinct courses. Now we want to sort them and then list the courses in sorted order. So use the sorted method, and let's run this example again. Now you can see that the list is sorted. A starts with Angular A, and then C, and then J, and then J, and then M. Now let's look into example of match, any match, all match, and none match. So here we'll define a predicate, or what we can do is that we can use the predicate directly inside the program. So let's copy the courses count and then paste it over here. And then instead of this thing, dot match, any match, and the predicate in this case is S, whether the instructor courses starts with J, and S dot starts with J. And here we'll change this to Boolean and match, and this and semicolon over here. So any match will check if the courses, any of the courses starts with capital J. Let's print out match. On this example, and then you can see that it's true because Java starts with J. Now instead of any match, let's replace it with allMatch, whether all of those courses starts with J. And you can see that it print out false because Angular starts with A. And then dot none match. None match will check whether none of them matches with J. It's not none match. Let's run this again. And then you can see that it printed false. So in this video, we covered count, distinct, sorted, and any match, all match, and none match operations of string.